Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, I'm Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. We're going to dive right in because today we're going to show you how you can make a welcome sign. I know many of you have seen those welcome signs that are very popular now, and they could be very costly, but I'm going to show you how you can make it for a minuscule amount of the cost. So if you're interested in this DIY, stick around, and as always, we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park. Keep in mind that the porch sign comes in many designs, so be creative and put your personality into your sign. All right, my YouTube friends, as indicated in the introduction, we're going to make one of those welcome signs out of wood. Now, I had this piece of wood in my possession for quite some time. I was using it on a shelf, and I got rid of the shelf and decided I was gonna just save the wood that I had, and I'm not gonna let this thing go to waste. So I am going to use this board to make a welcome sign. I decided to make another welcome sign. This one is a little wider. Now what I did was I had some wood that I already had in my possession, because you know I like to do things free 99. I don't like to pay extra money or any money if I can get out of it. So I took the two pieces of wood, and the wood that I initially did the first welcome sign on was very narrow. It works and it's absolutely gorgeous. But I also wanted to do one that was similar to the ones that I seen in the store. So I took the two pieces of wood. It was one long, like 8-foot piece, and I took it to the store and had them to cut it in half for me. And then I sealed the two pieces together to make a wider landscape for myself, or a lighter canvas for myself to work on. And I stained it. I had to make my own stain. You're not gonna believe this. So I took some stain that was more of a caramel color, maybe the color of my floor. And I mixed it with a little bit of acrylic black paint and white paint to get the tone that you see here. And I think it turned out beautiful. The only thing that I do take issue with is that you kind of see the seam going down the welcome sign where the two pieces of board meet, but I'm not going to be that stuck on it. It was free. And now I am painting my letters and it's looking great. So I will let you see the finished product when I'm done. Here's a view of the welcome sign at night with all of the Christmas lights, and it goes well with the Christmas bow on the side there, and it kind of echoes the bows that are on the star wreaths. I think it looks absolutely amazing. You can see it a lot better from the road than you could the other sign that we made, so that's why we switched it up a bit. But we'll be using that other sign as well in another spot. But yeah, we really like it. Came out amazing. Upon completion of your design, make sure that you cover it with polyurethane. This helps with a nice sheen and it protects your design. So this is the final product of the welcome sign. We revised it, and I do think this one stands out a lot better. People can see it from a better distance, and so Yeah, made this welcome sign for $0. I already had the paint, I already had the stain, and I already had the little ribbon at the top, which is detachable. So yay. Tell me what you think. When thinking about ways to redesign things around your home, think about items that you already have in your possession. This not only is cost friendly, but it helps us think outside of the box. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.